Okay, this is a GE refrigerator. Here's the model number, serial. It makes noises when you plug it in. It's a built-in fridge. The customer will unplug it and plug it back in. Okay, sir, go ahead, plug it back in. The air damper here on the back, it closes and opens, but for some reason the damper is not working properly. It's that damper on the back, the bottom.